In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your screen black and white on iPhone. So first, let's head on over to our settings and go over and look for accessibility, which is right here. And if you can't find accessibility, you can just search it on the top right here. Now open up accessibility and go over to the vision tab, which is at the top. Just click on display and text size. Now go down to the bottom and look for color filters, which is right here. Click on color filters and turn on color filters. And what you will do is click on any of these filters that you want. So for example, I've already chosen grayscale, and it doesn't pick up on the screen recording that my screen is black and white, but if you follow along, you will see that it make it made the screen black and white. And that's about it. That's how to make screen black and white on iPhone. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.